Yeah, my name's Justin. This is my wife Elba, and this is our boy Dylan. Dylan is our first child, and he was born about 6 weeks ago. So right now we're in the process of getting the passport started. For that, we're going ahead and working on seeing what kind of documentation we're going to need. It's important that we get the process right because from what we've read so far, it seems it's a process that can take several weeks to even multiple months. So we want to make sure that we get everything right and we don't, have any missteps along the way. We have a couple trips planned later this year, so we're really hoping everything goes smoothly and we're able to, get everything he needs by the time we need to travel.